In this video, I'll show you one of the core DroidKit methods, ClickText. At first glance, it may look extremely simple, but in reality, a large portion of the Android automation used in my own projects is built around this method. Before we begin, I'd like to clarify that this video focuses on the core concept and the main capabilities of ClickText. A complete technical breakdown of all parameters, advanced examples, and documentation is available separately as part of DroidKit. Let's start by looking at the result. Right now, Facebook is open on the screen. I need to click the Create New Account button. To do that, I only need a single line of code. Let's run it. As you can see, the method automatically finds the required text on the screen and performs the click. Now let's take a look at what's happening behind the scenes. The idea is very simple. Instead of manually processing OCR results, working with coordinates, searching for images, or building long chains of actions, we simply specify the text we want to find on the screen. For example, create. The method receives the OCR document of the current screen, locates the required text, determines its position, and automatically performs the requested action. As a result, your automation becomes much cleaner, simpler, and easier to maintain. When you open your own code several months later, you immediately understand what the script is doing. Let's look at the main features. The most important parameter is the search text. You can search for a single value, such as create. Or you can provide multiple alternatives, for example, create, next, continue, or OK. In this case, the method checks the options in order and uses the first match found on the screen. This makes your automation significantly more resilient to different app versions and interface variations. You can also specify a search timeout. If the required text does not appear immediately, the method will wait for the specified amount of time. Another important parameter is neederror. It determines what should happen when the text cannot be found. The method can either throw an error and stop execution, or return control back to your script for custom handling. There is also the exact parameter for full text matching. The start index parameter is useful when the same text appears multiple times on the screen. Additional features are available as well, including swipes relative to the detected text, working with a pre-generated OCR document, and several other tools designed for more advanced scenarios. However, in practice, most use cases come down to a very simple pattern. Specify the text. Optionally configure a few parameters, and immediately get a ready-to-use action on the device. That is exactly why ClickText is one of the most frequently used methods in DroidKit. It allows you to work on the level of meaning and text, rather than coordinates, screen regions, or image recognition. A complete technical breakdown of all parameters and capabilities is available in the DroidKit documentation. More videos are coming soon.